Hey guys, it's Brian with the Midnight Mechanic, and today we're going to show you how to replace the turn signal in your Ford Ranger. Now this is our 99 Ford Ranger, and this is specifically for the years that have this type of turn signal. It's really easy to do. It's just 2 screws, but you got to know where to find them. So we already removed the passenger side one that looks like this. Now right here is a stud. Now this stud right here goes into this hole in your fender that will show you what it is. Down here are those 2 screw holes I told you about. They're sticking down and you have to get them right under the light. Now that's all that's holding it on. There's a stud here that goes into a stud for alignment, but as far as holding it on, all it is this little snap post right here and these 2 screws down here. Okay, so those 2 screws I told you about are right here underneath. There's one that's right about here and there's one that's right back here. Now, if you have a bumper that's not quite straight like this one because it was in some damage and the mount was bent, we tried to get it as straight as we could. Can't really tell unless you're coming in to do something like this. It might be a little bit more difficult to get to. Now, a factory bumper, you can get to it a little bit easier than you can on this one, I think, but it's just those 2 screws. Once you get those 2 screws out, you can go ahead and just pull it straight off the truck. Sometimes you might need to pull up on it maybe just a hair. Like I said, this one is kind of bent, so it's kind of hard to get to. This one's also broken, so I'm not too worried about this one. Find your screws. You don't want these to end up in your tire. Now that those are done, you can go ahead and pull this thing straight off. Now, ours is stuck a little bit because of that bent bumper. So it's a little bit more difficult to get ours off, but that's how you do it. Once you have it pulled off, you can undo these wires. They just turn and pop off. Be careful with them because they might be brittle because this is an old truck. Now, one of the things to be careful with is right here. You see that little orange piece? That's a gasket that most times you need to reuse on your new turn signals. So make sure you take that and put it back on all the way down on this side plug. Now, when you're reinstalling it, up here is where that one post snaps into, and down here is where that alignment piece goes. So installing it, reinstall this, and it will level it out to the point where you can reattach your screws down here. So as usual, putting it back on is just the same as taking it off, just in reverse. Just make sure you get those 2 studs aligned and you should be good to go. Make sure that everything is sealed properly or you're going to get moisture in there. See if that gaskets are still on those bulbs when you go ahead and lock them down, because you don't want moisture in there because it's going to clog your headlights and it's going to foul your bulbs. Make sure you do it right, careful, everything will be fine. Now we're doing a upgraded front end on this. We're going to use the 2002, 2003 front end on it. So we're not reinstalling stuff, which is why we're not showing you how to do that. Check our videos out. There's going to be another video of how to do that, along with removing your headlights and your grill and your header panel. So those are coming soon. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can see those too. And follow our social media, Instagram at The Midnight Mech, TikTok at The Midnight Mechanic. Get your MidMech merch, themidnightmech.com. See you guys next time.